Yeah.
So nifunge simu.
Uweke dunga tu.
Dunga ni ile flight mode.
Yeah.
Oh, sawa, kidogo tu. Kama nitaonekana?
Unaweza ipiga tu kiujanja.
Ndio hiyo.
Piga tu kiujanja.
Kiujanja. Lakini sijaweka hata flight mode bado.
Kasi hapa tuko Kenya.
Wacha nini? Deke sasa flight mode. Flight mode yao unaweza simama tu. Oh. Ah. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I love you guys. I love you all my subscribers. You are wonderful. My name is Vicky Mugambi and this is my channel. Please remember to subscribe, tell a friend. Please remember to share, like, and leave a comment. Those of you who are from Mara, I love you guys. You are the best. Those are kisses for none other but the new subscribers are from Mara. Everybody that came to my channel and told me that they have been sent by Mara, karibu sana. This is the customs between Kenya and Tanzania border. As you can see, there is a lot of activities going on, but because we are illegally crossing, though I had carried my passport just in case, and also we are allowed to go into Tanzania for about 20 kilometers. So we just went around and came back, and well, my phone switched off, my camera switched off, so there wasn't much that I recorded. But guys, please watch this video and other videos on my channel till the end so that I can get those watch hours and also to entertain you. Anything that you need me to do, I will do it for you because I am your home girl. I am your plug for Nairobi, and soon, as I'm saying, I'll be traveling across the continent. Yeah, nawapenda sana. I'm recording this while I am sleeping, so simuni support. Tap on that notification button. Tap on that like button, and well, enjoy the video. Tanzania is beautiful. As soon as we crossed over, hata hewa ilibadilika. Yani, it was like Mombasa. It is a coastal town. I loved the structures, even the way they have built their houses, as you can see. But well, I am planning to go back, so when I go back, I'll do a more detailed video. Remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to watch till the end. I love you guys. Mwah. Kuna nini eneo hili? Simu yangu itazimika hii, ikizimika tunarudi, tuende tungoje sasa pesa. Simu yangu siku hizi hata nikichaji hata nichaji na nini? Unaweza kaa 1 hour nipate iko na 5%.
Unajua mimi niko na video nimeweka premium. Maana leo
Unaweka premium je na simu? Wewe unaekanga premium tu na laptop? Na simu unaweza weka premium?
Yeah.
Ala. Mimi naekanga tu premium, nikiweka naeka na laptop.
Naeka na laptop. Premium naeka na simu.
Remember guys, we have come in through Sirari. Sirari is a village that is in Kenya, and it's also a village that is in Tanzania. Both of them go by the name of Sirari. So this is Sirari village town, and as you can see, it does not look like your average village. It is somehow quite developed for a village. It has a lot of people, it has a lot of activities. The road is wide. Remember, this is a highway and I'm crossing over to another country on a motorbike, guys, on a motorbike. If there's something called dairy, the definition of dairy was this attempt or to cross over that was actually very successful, to cross over to a different country on a motorbike. Ai, nani kama mimi? Nipigeni makofi. Nani kama mimi? I love you guys. One thing I know for sure is that I know nothing about Tanzania. But one thing I do know for sure is Tanzania is a pretty green country. It is so green. Any Tanzania hawajui bei ya juu ya unga. In Tanzania they don't demonstrate because of bei of unga. No. Tanzania is pretty green. Tanzania has a lot of food. So is East Africa. Has a lot of fertile land. People do farming. People do fish farming. There's a lot of fish. As I was crossing over back to Kenya, I would see a lot of fish vendors, meaning that fish in Tanzania is in plenty and it is cheap. So as you can see, my rider, who is called also Village Driver, he has a YouTube channel. You guys can check him out. He's a very good soul, very kind, very genuine. Because I remember after this, I left him my GoPro. I forgot my GoPro. And this guy stayed with it until the evening when he was taking me back to the bus station to take my bus back to Nairobi. And he actually had my GoPro and reminded me to have it. And when I asked around about him, people said, no, huyu si mkora, which means this one is does not have kona ring. Let me tell you, staying in Nyabohanse, I got to gather some language like, mayugno. Nothing is cornering. Like, this is a pretty straightforward, genuine guy, the Village Driver. So please, if you can support him by subscribing and watching his content. He's a pretty humble guy. We had a lot of chat, some of his personal information. Here it's me rushing back to Nairobi.
Again, I thought I was recording announcement. This is Village Driver. Please subscribe to his channel. His channel is Ananga Story Mingi. He has 500 subscribers. He's road to 1,000 subscribers. I am just leaving Nyabohanse village. That is Nyabohanse village. And this is, I am headed now to Isibania, yes, which is right ahead, and then now we are going to Nairobi. I have been here for 3 days, 3 or some days. I wish I would have stayed longer, but we have had to shoot tomorrow, so I have to go back. But it's raining here, but it's not really cold. It's not that. Look at these stones, guys. You see those stones? Tukifika pale kwa mawe tuende pole pole. And also look, it's not that cold, but the road has. Ona, barabara tu, gari ikipita barabara inatukausha. I don't know whether you can see it. You can't see it.
Kwa sababu kwanga na moto sana.
Barabara iko na moto. So ukiwa na baridi hiyo moto inakuwa mist. I don't know whether you can see ahead of us. Kuna mahali kuna moshi pale. Hapa kuna moshi. Here.
Wote iko na moshi hadi juu.
Ona hiyo moshi. Hiyo moshi inatoka kwa nini? Kwa barabara. And it's warm. Actually hiyo moshi kuna kijoto.
Yeah, barabara inakuanga ya joto.
Barabara inakuanga ya joto. Oh. But guys, look at those stones. Hizi mawe huwa mnazitumia, lakini msizitumie, ziliweka hapo na Mungu eh? Ziliwekwa hapo na Mungu. Kuna mahali kwingine niliona stones ziko tu kila mahali. Guys, look ahead. You see, the road looks as if it's burning, but it's not burning. Ndo hizi mawe, ndo hizi big stones. Wow! Look at this. This is so beautiful. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look. I wish I was living here. If I get money, I'll buy this whole land with all these stones. Nibuy tu mawe, eh? Nizionange tu.
Wale washanunua.
Washanunua?
China amenunua huko.
Mchina amenunua pale? Yeah. Ni ngumu kutoka kwa Mchina.
Unaona ile nyumba ya
nilikuwa na time hapo juu.
Hapa pamenunuliwa, huko pamenunuliwa. Unaona wamepiga.
China
tunaona ameweka footman.
Ala. Na
huko hadi ameweka matanga. Ni kama
anataka kujenga kitu kama nini. But guys, look at the landscape. That is the sunset. I have to slow down when we get. Those stones are many. I will go back there one time. If I come back, I will show you. Yeah, you see the mist? What are your motion? Yeah. So this is a village of YouTubers. We should do a documentary on this village because everybody is a YouTuber. Because one of them became a millionaire. Look at those stones, guys. Mawe iko kila mahali. So beautiful, so beautiful. Kuna mahali kwingine kuna mawe kama haya na kujanunuliwa. Mengi hivi. Hii ni Mungu tu alikuja akawekelea. Akawekelea akasema watu wenye bohanzi. Look at these stones. Look at this. Look. Somebody has stones here. They just look nice. And they're not gonna give oh, what are you talking about, Vicky? Eti mawe sasa. Mawe sasa kufanyia kazi gani? Mawe ya kazi gani? Kama watu wenye bohanzi wanafikiria hii ni mawe tu. Si ndio?
Si wazungu hadi wanakujanga tunawapeleka hapa hao mawe wanashoot pia.
Wanashoot
Yeah. Kwa maana nimekuambia. Mawe ikipeleka ikufani. Yaani imekaa kidogo, yani kidogo tu yanguke chini.
Lakini yangukangi.
Haiangukangi.
Haijawahi anguka.
Haijawahi.
Utanipeleka. This is a whole vlog, guys, going back home. My phone is about to die, but before it dies, I would have uploaded a few other videos. I've had a lot of fun. My phone let me down. Guys, please, somebody, anybody, bless me the phone. Ninunulieni simu maana. Ama go. Umeona vile tumeteseka leo?
Hata mimi unaona hapa.
Tununulie. Tununulieni simu. Somebody, anybody. Yes. Yeah. So video marwa ya mimi inaenda leo. So yangu inafaa iende leo pia. Yeah.
Yenye mlipiga naye?
Jana tulipiga video ndefu naye sana. So leo kuna mimi nimepiga naye pia. Amekuja akanipigisha video. Hujaifanya na Marwa. Na uko na subscribers wengi. Na hata nimeona ujitisha watu wengine.
Yeah, sijaweka watu sana. Yaani sijapiga hata na Nasto, hata Mayuguno. Yeah, sijapiga na watu sana. Yeah. Si unajua hii piko yangu? Ya kulipiwa.
Nini hiyo?
Pikipiki yangu ni ya watu. So lazima ni hustle kwanza do.
But unaona hata ukipiga biashara yako. Kila siku tu unapiga story. Unapiga story, unaongea tu vitu. So guys, I wanted to go with that bus, but by the time I was booking, they were already full. So I want to go with this one, the one that I came in with. So yeah, and this is a village driver carrying my bag. Thank you so much. Yes. Bye.
Aya.
Aya. Gari ishaenda. Aya. Bye. Nimewacha nikifanya YouTube. Kwani ina watu? Allah. Eh. The 12 hour between.
Nakwenda na chakula tunatoka hapa saa moja. Saa 9 tuko kwao. Ila kama wanasema lakini hiyo ndio yani nakwenda hadi na wifi. Hadi charging ini ni 50 naenda.